Here's how you can easily double or even triple your conversions with these 5 landing page hacks. And number 1 is very simple. Just add Apple Pay, add Shop Pay, add Google Pay to it, and your conversions should go up. In some cases, I've seen over 20, 30%, even more than that. If you think about mobile, we buy from our mobile devices, right? Like, it's way easier for me when I just look at something and then I just do Apple Pay. It's the same thing when I'm flying on a plane. I just Apple Pay it and then I get on the Wi-Fi. It's easier for all sides. Conversion rates will skyrocket. Number 2, it's using exit pop-ups. So exit pop-ups are annoying, but at the end of the day, the conversion rates go up because of exit pop-ups. Just make sure that you have a really good offer. What that means is, instead of saying subscribe to my email list, that's not a good offer. What if you said, I will give you $10,000 if you subscribe to my email list? So that's an extreme example, and most people are going to subscribe to that. But what's something that is relevant to them that you can offer for free? Don't forget to hit the like button if you're enjoying this video, because it helps us grow and it gets more reach that way. Number 3 is to personalize. You can integrate tools such as Mutiny HQ with Clearbit Reveal, which will then reveal the location where the user is visiting from. Number 4 is adding a checkout bump. What that means is you can add an upsell in your checkouts, right? So let's say you're selling a course, for example, driving more conversions, right? Well, then a companion course might be how you can drive more traffic, because you need traffic and conversion. So you might sell the course for $100 and then the order bump might be $20 or so. So in that case, it's like, oh, I already paid $100. I might as well pay $20 for this companion thing. And that way you're able to increase your conversion rates overall across the board. Now, number 5 is to continue adjusting the copy. Ogilvy has once said that once you have written your headline, 80 cents has already been spent on the dollar. So the headline is the hook, not just your headline, but your subheadline or the other copy that you have on the page. How can you continually adjust it to improve conversion rates, right? So for example, the private invite only group that I have for founders, we've had to work on the messaging there, right? So it's people at the top of their game in the world of marketing, media, and business. Those are the people that are going to be in that group, right? So we've had to refine that messaging. But if we said it is just a community of motivated people, that messaging isn't good enough, right? So you have to continually refine your messaging where it's very simple for someone to understand, and it's also very enticing. In this video, we've actually talked about how you can increase your conversions, but like I mentioned earlier, if you're going to increase your conversions, you actually have to also think about increasing your traffic as well. And there's no better video than my next one over here on how you can 10x your traffic and your revenues using these couple of things. So check out this video over here and we'll see you in that video.